In this video, I'll show you how you can run Steam faster. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can go up here in Steam, press settings, and go to downloads. Now from in here, you can press the limit download speed button and type in a really big number. For some reason, this helps people with their downloads, even though this sounds like it would be the best, not having a limit on it. But for some people, this works a lot better. So try this. Another thing you can do is, if you go to Task Manager, right here, go to Details. From in here, you're going to find Steam exe. So press something, type in S, look for Steam. Steam.exe right here. You're going to right click on it, set priority, and choose high. If you do this, change priority. Now your PC will give more power to the Steam. And the third option you can do is simply, when you close down Steam, right click on Steam and open it as an administrator. This will also help fix some errors that you might have. Now those are 3 ways that can potentially help you with your Steam to be more faster and download games faster. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.